The unity of difference. Buddhist philosophy has kept pace with the changing times and adapted through different folk beliefs and native cultures. The external look has altered to suit its situation, circumstances, and prevailing beliefs. But Buddhism's main principles remain steadily rooted in their original foundation. All beings hope to awaken to the truth of eternity and enlightenment, having established themselves in the middle way. From the northern part of the Deccan Peninsula, Buddhism spread widely, covering almost the whole of the peninsula. In this early age, Buddhism's expansion rested only on its principle of attaining the absolute truth, to give hope to every life, regardless of differences in rank and status. The viable teachings of Buddhism offered a method for improving future lives and achieving advanced stages of reincarnation. And the crucial activity was to meditate right through the middle way. And the middle way begins inside us, at the center of the body. At the time of King Asoka the Great, Buddhism had extended its way downward to Ceylon or Sri Lanka. It initially settled at Anuradhapura, eventually spreading to almost the entire island. In Sri Lanka, while monks wrap themselves with robes coloured like the dawn, nuns are in pink, so different from the nuns of Southeast Asia, who dress in white. Yes, in pink or in white, it is only colour that distinguishes them from one another. The foundation of truth is still the same. Continuing like an ever-flowing stream, Buddhism coursed outwards and upwards, beyond the northern frontier of Deccan. From emperor to emperor, from dynasty to dynasty, from Asoka the Great of the Mauryan dynasty to Kanishka the Great, the Scythian emperor of the Kuchan dynasty, Buddhism continued to expand its influence widely and deeply. Buddhism reached Iran, or ancient Persia, Bactria, Kashmir, and Tibet. It was said that from the knot of the Pamir Plateau, Buddhism flooded out from the Gandhara, the seat of Buddhist civilization. Present-day Pakistan used to be the seat of Gandhara and the throne of Kanishka the Great. People and products travelled along the Silk Trade route, and finally, Buddhism made its way to China. Imagine the differences in folk beliefs and native cultures all along the way. The spread of Buddhism occurred across a myriad of temperatures, valleys, plains and plateaus, deserts and oases. Thus, the dress and diet of Buddhist monks could not maintain its conservative traditions. It changed and must adapt to suit the environment. It is one reason Buddhism had survived. The absolute principle is constant, but the practitioner must transform. Then, the colour and style of the monastic robes were modified. From the colour of flame to reddish brown, to a combination of red and yellow and also grey. They are all different, both in colour and style. But no matter what colour or styles appear, Buddhists are practicing the same truth, the practical philosophy of absolute truth, taught by the Lord Buddha, Buddhism. They all view the process of rising and falling. They all see the reflections of happiness, briefly flicker here and there in the flow of troubles that defines the limitations of their existences. These are the reflections of the impermanent. Happiness cannot be stable or eternal in the flow of life. The variations in colours and styles of Buddhist monastic robes tell us that the world deserves real peace and happiness, and Buddhism offers an answer. It is the unity of difference. All take refuge in the absolute truth. The unity of difference tells us the world deserves the same peace.